Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video is about Excel Realty and Infra Limited companies. A quick overview of this company. Actually, this company is incorporated in 2003 as Excel Realty and Infra Limited, which is formerly known as Excel Infoways Limited. They are engaged in development of infrastructure facility. The market capital is 76 crores and current price is 55 paise, and 52 weeks high is 89 paise and 20 paise. With their book value, it's around 1 rupee 80 paise, and that both the return on capital employed and return on equity is negative, and debt equity ratio is 0.01, and current ratio is 5.17. Let's see how their performance during this year. This is one kind of a speculative stock in my book. As we see, the performance of the company is not that great. Still, a person who's has ready to take a risk, they can earn, because this 20 paise on November, which will be moved to 65 paise, will get a almost like a great return. It's almost like three times their own 300 times they have just popped it up 300. It's not, sorry, it's around 100 and 100 times, more than 100 times they have gained it. But this is one of the speculative stock. But the thing is, that's with their 50-day and 200-day moving average, it's been par with it. And the thing is, the worst thing, the bad thing about the company is this: their return is uh, debt, that is their contingent liabilities around 30.5 crores, and sales is poor sales. The good thing is they are trading less than their book value and their company is debt free. Overall, it is a company you should know about it, but before investing, try to do your analysis and then see. In my circle, it's the company is not that financially strong, but they are trading in a speculative kind of a stock. So with this, I'm ending this video, and thanks for watching this video.